In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize Hootsuite effectively. Let's dive right in, starting with opening your Chrome browser. Once there, visit hootsuite.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. For those new to the platform, you'll need to create an account first, but don't worry, it's a straightforward process. Now that we're inside, let's take a moment to familiarize ourselves with the Hootsuite dashboard. This is your control center, where you'll find several key sections designed to streamline your social media management experience. The dashboard is divided into streams, publisher, and analytics. Each of these plays a vital role in helping you manage your online presence efficiently. You'll want to add your social accounts to get started. Navigate to Manage Social Networks. This is where you can connect your various social media accounts, including Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, among others. You simply follow the on-screen instructions, granting Hootsuite the necessary permissions to post on your behalf. Adding accounts will centralize your operations and save you an incredible amount of time that would otherwise be spent toggling between different platforms. With your social accounts linked, it's time to set up some streams. Streams act like windows into different aspects of your online activity, your feeds, mentions, likes, and more. Creating these streams is essential as they allow you to monitor what's happening across all your social networks in real time. Hootsuite's interface lets you customize these streams based on what's most important to you, ensuring you're always in the loop with the latest updates and engagements. Next comes content creation. Head over to New Post to start composing. You'll find this tool is designed to simplify the post creation process across multiple platforms. Once your post is ready, you can either publish it immediately or take advantage of Hootsuite's powerful scheduling features to plan your content in advance. Scheduling ensures your posts go live at the optimal times, maximizing reach and engagement without having to be logged in constantly. Don't forget an important part of any social strategy: tracking your performance. Head over to the analytics section. Here you'll find detailed reports and metrics that show how well your content is performing, with insights into engagement, reach, and more. This data is critical as it guides you on what to continue doing and what might need adjustment to optimize your strategy. And there you have it. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to use Hootsuite to manage your social media like a pro. Remember, the key to social media success isn't just about posting, but also listening, analyzing, and adjusting based on what your audience responds to best. So explore these features, and you'll be well on your way to mastering your social media presence. Happy Hootsuiting!